all these things in Vibhajana Chattam, they have completed. I have done something undue. Even coalition dharma I didn't follow. Coalition dharma you are not following. What he told in Tirupati, what Prime Minister told in Guntur, what he told in Visakhapatnam, when he came to Amaravati for laying the foundation, what you have given assurance, why you didn't fulfill? That is what I am demanding. You have given Parliament matti, Yamuna water on her face, you are talking all these things. You wanted to make us fools, but day will come, you cannot cheat people. You want to cheat people, ultimately all people will cheat you. That is going to happen. You have to understand this. And also he is saying, my blood is Congress blood. What nonsense he is talking, I am unable to understand.
It's very important that we respect democracy. Many a times we see this conflict coming up. Many a times we see this conflict wherein we say, why should we care for an MLA? Why should we care for an MP? Many a times we see this conflict, especially police department. But at the end of the day, we are all in this process of democracy. If we do not respect democracy, then democracy would fall. Whether we like it, whether we don't like it, 2 lakh people exercise their franchise to get these people elected. 2 lakh people reimpose their faith in these people and voted for them. And if we do not respect them, usually it so happens in police department. That is the reason why I'm just bringing about this topic. Then democracy just falls flat. It's so very important that we understand this, that we need to work together. We need to have an inclusive, cooperative strategy in place. I mean, I do not say support them in illegal activities. I do not say support them in looting. I do not say support them in corruption activities. No. Anything to do with corruption? No. Anything to do with illegal activities? No. Anything to do with looting? No. But the rest of the matters, all other matters, we need to work together.